Good morning, student. I hope you all are safe with your parents. Stay at home. Now, uh, in last lecture we have started the first chapter of paper 1. Now today we are going to start the first chapter of paper 2, means part 2, science part 2, that is heredity and evolutions. So there are many importance there are two main part of this chapter. First is heredity part and second one is evolution part. They are totally different part. In within two lectures we will complete these chapters. So first of all we have to complete the heredity part. So there are many concepts which we have already learned in previous standard, in 9th standard, that is heredity. So in this chapter, heredity and heredity changes. So first point is heredity and heredity changes. So before starting this point, so I would like to revise or recall some basic concept related to the heredity. So in 9th standard we have learned so heredity. So what is mean exact what does it mean exactly? So heredity means transfer or transformation of biological character from one generation to the another generation. So here you can see the same definitions, that is transfer of biological character from one generation to the another generations. So and again it means the what are the biological characters. Now question is here, what are the biological characters? Biological characters means our height, structure of face, structure of your ears, then eyes, then the distance between two eyebrows, and we can say this nature of your hairs, whether it is curly hairs or straight hair or silky hairs, all everything which is related to your body part or body or nature of your body are the biological characters, or which can be seen by our naked eyes. So by observation we can see there is some similarities between the boy or son and his father. So these are nothing but these are the inheritance or heredity characteristics or biological characteristics which are transferred from first generation to the second generation. So what does it mean? So if we observe any family, we will find out some similarities between the son and between the father and son, mother and daughters. So this is nothing but this similarity occurs due to the biological character transfer from one generation to the another generations. So all these points, and also we have learned in 9th standard there are. So what is fundamental or basic unit of heredity? So the basic and fundamental unit of heredity is nothing but genes, and gene is nothing but is a segment of chromosomes, and we have already learned that the chromosome, there are 4 types of chromosomes, and we have learned in 9th standard, that is DNA. So what is DNA and structure of DNA? There is double helix structure of DNA. There are 4 nucleotides present inside the DNA. So first question is, which component of the cellular nucleus of living organisms carried hereditary characteristics, that is genes or chromosomes? What do we call the process of transfer of physical and mental characteristics of the parents to the progeny, matlab means offsprings? So first questions, the answer of first question is chromosomes or genes or DNA. Second, what do we call to the process of transfer of physical and mental characters from parents to the progeny? So same, that is heredity. It's nothing but heredity. So which are the component of DNA molecules? What are the components of DNA molecules? So we will see it details in this chapters. DNA. So what is full form of DNA? DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid, and DNA is responsible for the transfer the characteristics. So now I would like to tell you the history of DNA or discovery of DNA. History of DNA discovery. So as you know, DNA